Hello friends, welcome to our channel Acco Medical. Today we will show you the demo of acco computerized IFT. It comes with the complete accessories, bag, 4 wires, 4 pads and a strap. Before starting a demo, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's start the demo now. This IFT has 65 programs. Program number 0 is for the manual and the other programs are written above. Switch on the machine. This is the program 0. You can set the timer as per your requirement. You can set the frequency 2 kHz or 4 kHz. You can select sweep pattern. 2 pole is for the tens, 4 pole vector and 4 pole. In 2 pole only 2 pads produce the current. In 4 pole and 4 pole vector all the 4 pads produce the current. Let's start on 4 pole. After setting the parameters, start the machine. You can change the balance of the channel 2 from this. Now you can increase the intensity channel 1 up, intensity down. If you want to make the balance at 0, you can make it equal. Now both the channel will produce the same current. Now we will show you the programs. All the programs are set. It has 65 programs. In 65 program, the timer is for 10 minutes. This is the beat frequency. Frequency kilohertz is 2 Hz. This is the sweep pattern and it is on 4 pole. We can also change between if you want. Now you can increase the intensity. Once the treatment is completed, switch off the machine. You can also buy this machine online at MedicalBazzar.com. The link will be given in the description below. The demo is completed. Thank you.